two families of Raimundo and Mikey. Welcome in the simbahan in the Church of the Nativity. Pinili na kayo ni Apolos na regalo na para hindi may second misa. Saan lahat na kayo pinapili, hindi may second misa, but most especially God has chosen you for one another. And so I hope, Raimundo, you treat her, Mikey, as a precious gift from God na pinili na, despite hindi ka doon, hindi babae sa kaluluwan at isunay pinili ni Apolos para kayo. And also with your mind, cherish Raimundo as God's gift, regalo, saldo, ni Apolos para kayo. Mikey, do you take Raimundo to be your present for your lawful husband, according to the right of our Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Raimundo, do you take Mikey, your present, for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Now please pray together.
I love you. I can't thank you enough. No words can explain how grateful I am having you in my life.
And to my partner, Raimundo, a year has passed since the beginning of our love story. God has guided our path together, even though I originally thought maybe we would just last as friends. I sincerely prayed to God before our wedding that He wouldn't allow this to happen if we weren't the perfect family. But when the day finally arrived, I know that you are the one.
Gusto sila ni Raimundo kanya. Raimundo, you may now kiss your bride.